gone, is there?
You mate?
Yeah.
Tell him it's good down there. Tell him it's easy. For rock. That's been sliding over there, isn't it? The rock.
That's it, Lee. Back it up a bit more to get a run up. Go back a bit to get a run up. Oh, you fucked it up. I was going to try and reverse it there, didn't you?
Oh, here he goes. Do you know he did this in Cardiff? He got stuck and it just disappeared into the woods, didn't he? Into a big bog. Hey, see? Now you can hit the tree properly. That's it, his radius abs, that is.
I'm glad I did it.
Oh, do you know they never do it for the camera, do you? Oh.
There's a bonnet, you isn't it? Opens onto the roof.
And the door's open to the front. What's Lee doing then?
It's hard to get in, right?
Is it?
It's easier to come up the hill there.
There's one by there. Go straight to the top, like.
You come down with that, can't you?
Nice work.
Put it in the back end.
Is it? Here comes the back end. Just know it's going to come, don't you?
Lee, wait till that moves so that you can just throttle it and go straight then.
Don't know half about it.